Okay, here's going to be the third IF video. Remember the disclaimer, this concept list, all these concepts and stuff I'm talking about is not all-inclusive. You're responsible for going out there and studying everything we've learned this entire year. Okay, so the next part is sketch each function and label everything you can. Let's see, this one we've got a quartic, so we've got 4 roots, and this one's a cubic. But right here we have a double root at 1. So let's go right there. It's going to bounce off. Remember, double roots, it bounces off. We need to find the y-intercept. So 1, 2, -6. So I plug in x equals 0 for the y-intercept. So there's -6, and here's 1. Where are the other roots? There's one at -2, and there's one at +3. Okay. Remember, this is a quartic, and all our leading coefficients are positive. So we're going to have up behavior. And our y-intercept is 6, so it's going to go down through here, going to kiss there, down the -6, and then up through there. I think that's satisfactory for sketch. Let's go, and good enough. Okay, how about over here? Let's find, this is a cubic, y-intercept is 15, so we'll just say that's 15 right there. We've got a root at 1, we've got a root at -3, and a root 3, 4, 5 at 5. So this is a cubic. Our end behavior positive, everything. So right end is up, left end is down. So it's going to go like kiss up here, and then down like that. Something like that. Okay, so that's a real quick stuff to talk about, all the things to think about when you're sketching functions. The next one on this video is to fully decompose and sketch the following rational function. We're right here on video number 3. I've only made this third video now, and we're only like 2/3 down the way on the first page. Man, I hope I have the time and energy to keep going with these things. All right. So, you know what? I'm going to use the review days. Yeah. So we're going to do this function right here. Let's see, x squared minus 2x minus 8, and then x cubed plus 8x squared and plus 12x. Okay, there is tons of stuff to do and think about on this problem, which is why this is such a good all-encompassing problem. Say, first you have to be able to factor everything, and you have to decompose and analyze, and then you have to sketch all the asymptotes and everything. So that's why factoring is such a valuable skill. Okay, so factor the top. Let's see, that looks like a -4 plus 2, right? Yep, x minus 4 and x plus 2 on the top. On the bottom, we've got a GCF of x. Don't forget about that. That's going to be a vertical asymptote. And then we've got plus 6 plus 2, I think. Hey, oh, we might have a hole in there too. X plus 2. I don't know why I put the extra parentheses in there, but I did. So here is going to be a hole at 2. I'm sorry, a hole at -2. And we've got a vertical asymptote at 0 and a vertical asymptote at -6. What about our horizontal asymptote? Let's see, the denominator is greater, so we're going to have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. We've got a vertical asymptote at that 0, and then here's -6. There's another vertical asymptote. Do we have a y-intercept? No, we can't, because this vertical asymptote is at 0. Do we have an x-intercept? Can I plug in? No, we can't, because when you plug in x equals 0, you're not going to have an x-intercept either. Okay, so what about our right end behavior way over here? This is a positive a, so our right side branch is going to be like this. And then what happens at 0? Is it a double root or anything? Nope, just jumps over. We go like this. Let me extend this asymptote out. This one is just going to look like this, and then jump over to other infinity, and we're done for that one. Okay, that's good enough for this video.